guys, so today we are at Monster Milkshake here in Ayala, Marikina malls. So it's my first time here at Monster Milkshake. This is actually their third branch now in the Philippines. The first one is in Pampanga, second they have in Vertis North, this is the third, and soon they will open at Ayala Malls, Feliz. It's actually kind of hard to pick one kasi sobrang daming choices na masasarap. But for today, I decided to go with bubblegum pop. Having bubblegum pop and berry. Looks so pretty. Another flavor that caught my eyes is Gotcha Matcha Crunch. So this is basically green tea milkshake with a lot of Kit Kat green tea. The milkshake ranges from $165 to $195, so it's pretty much affordable. Anyway guys, I hope you try to drop by at any of their branches, especially this new one in Ayala Malls, Marikina. So I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye and Happy New Year!